Now we have created our table, it's time to enter some data. So to be able to enter data into our table, go to the Utilities menu, go down to the Table Contents option, and select Create Entries. This will now take you to a data entry screen that has automatically been generated for us. Now before we enter some data, you'll notice the field names are the actual technical names of the field that we declared. For each field we entered some field labels, so I'll show you how to change the look of the screen so the field labels appear instead of the technical names. Go to the Settings menu and select User Parameters. Now this option allows you to tailor how tables look specifically for your user ID. Every user can do this, and what we want to do right here is say show us the field labels. So click the Field Labels radio button, then click the Continue key. Now you can see the field labels have come back just as we define them when creating the table. So now let's enter some records. So the employee number is an 8-character field, and we defined it as num-c, so it can only be numeric characters. So here I'll enter 1, lots of zeros and a 1. So I've entered the 5 fields, and I'm going to press the Enter key, and just watch what happens to the fields. Notice the surname, forename and title field have been changed to uppercase, and the system automatically validated every field to ensure we entered the correct values. So just click the Save button, check the status bar at the bottom, and you can see the record has successfully been saved. So what we're going to do now is just click the Reset button, and it will reset these fields back to their default values, and we'll enter our second record. Now this time with date of birth, I'm not going to enter the periods, I'll just enter the numeric value. So now when I press the Enter key, the system automatically validates all the fields and does any conversion that it needs to do. In this case, the date of birth field, it put the correct format in for us. Click the Save button. Let's enter another record. Click the Save button, enter 2 more, oops, sorry I didn't press the Reset button, but never mind, I'll just overwrite. One more. Now, just here, I put the slash in. Let's see if it gives us an error. It does. You see, it tells us to enter the correct date format. If I take that out and press enter, yeah, it doesn't like it. There we go. It's accepted the data. I'll click the Save key And that's it, we've entered 5 records.